How to delete Instagram block list without Unblock. Search block list. Take a screenshot of your block list. Click on Help. Explain your problem here to Instagram support team. Send your report and wait for 72 hours because they take that much time to resolve that issue. Thanks for watching.